Okay y'all, how you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. Happy 2020. Welcome back to the new year. New decade. It's a time to feel refreshed, regrouped, filled with so much hope and potential. So yeah, let's maintain that attitude. So I thought for my first video, I'll just show you how I've been doing my makeup this summer. The 5 times I wore makeup during the holidays. I started feeling a little bit guilty because it was just kind of like everyone was looking beat. Every time I go on IG, everyone's looking beat and, you know, hot girl summer vibes. And I was, you know, with my braids, makeup free, like, you know, feeling really chill and relaxed. I'm just gonna show you the times I did do my makeup, what my routine was, and just pretty much just a way for us to just catch up as well. I've just realized that I haven't put out an eyeshadow palette, so I'm gonna do a little bit more than I do, obviously for the purpose of this video. So let me just find an eyeshadow palette quickly. So we're gonna of course start off with brows, and I'll be using my MAC Deep Dark Brunette Fluid Line Brow Gel Cream. This hasn't changed at all. I'm back to using this and pretty much how I used to do my brows when I first started out. However, I try to be incredibly light-handed just because whenever you get these fresh, they're so it's very pigmented, so even the lightest touch picks up a lot of color. I've just been trying to adjust how heavy-handed or light-handed I need to be in order for this to be a brow that's acceptable for current times. So we are going to define the brow with the MAC Studio Finish Concealer in NC45. So my hand is so light-handed. I'm holding my brush like I would a feather. So what we're gonna do is just tidy up the concealer. Let's prep the skin. So I'm gonna be using my DIOR Backstage Face and Body Primer. The foundation I used all summer was my Le Mer. I first was using my DIOR Backstage and then I changed to the Le Mer. To maintain our hot girl summer glow, I'm gonna go in with my MAC Luster Drops, and I'm using the shade Bronze Nero. And on my no makeup days, when I would do brows, for example, I would then pop this on because it really gave the most incredible glow to the skin. So for foundation, I'm gonna mix 2 shades here, 5N and 4.5N. I'm liking this formula for summertime because it's super lightweight and it doesn't look, feel cakey at all. Yeah, it looks like skin and it feels like skin. So this is a pretty nice formulation to have. The color range is absolutely incredible. If you go to like a DIOR counter, where do they sell DIOR? Edgar's, or like the DIOR boutiques in Santon or the V&A, you will see like the most beautiful ombre of like the most inclusive shades. It's like ASMR but for looking at foundation. Like, that's what it is. You know what, I'm not gonna mix the shades. I think this appears to be fine. But yeah, so we've put foundation here and nothing here. Just creates an overall warmth to the skin. I can still see my chickenpox scars, my freckles, and in my opinion gives me more coverage than MAC Face and Body. And also it's the brush that you use as well. This is a buffing brush, so generally your coverage will be a lot higher with a densely packed brush like this. When I use a very light coverage foundation like this, I like to use a bit more of a full coverage concealer. So I'm using this one from Benefit. I did enjoy using it the last time I used it, so why not give it a try today. I'm using my giant Real Technique sponge. I'm just taking my foundation brush and just blending it out. So I'm gonna set my concealer with some Laura Mercier. Now we're gonna set the rest of my face with my foundation powder. This is from Black OPAL. This has been a fave throughout 2019. I'm just setting where we didn't apply the concealer. So I'm gonna bronze up with my Smashbox. I doubt this will ever change. I'm taking my MAC 163, I believe, brush, and we're just gonna contour. What we're gonna do is dust away the bake, dust away the Laura Mercier. I'm just gonna go ahead and just neaten up my brows. I'm taking my DIOR Show brow, what is this called? Pump and Brow, super cute. So I just like squeeze this if I want more product to come out. And then I just comb. So as for my eyes, I think I'm gonna just dip into my MAC palette. It's an oldie but a goodie. It's the MAC Flame-Boyant Art Library palette, and I've used this like twice. So I just grabbed this orange shade and it's called Rule, and I'm just applying this onto the lid, and I'm gonna bring this up high past my crease and let it fade into my brow bone. Oh, everything is matching today. That was not intentional. So if you want the color to pop a bit more, I would suggest that when you put it on your eye, you pat it in and not the wind wiper motion. We'll be doing the wind wiper motion once we get to the crease. And we're just gonna take a fluffy, clean brush and blend that out. We could darken that later, we don't know, we will see. In our waterline, we're taking the NYX Wonder pencil. Just to keep that white and bright. And we're gonna go back in with the same orange shade with a more precise eyeshadow brush. We're going to add some color. I was a bit messy with the eyeshadow on this side, but honest. Okay, so I'm gonna do a slight wing. I'm taking my Benefit Roller Lash pencil and winging this out. Taking my favorite mascara, the LANCOME MONSIUER Big. Okay guys, you're not going to believe what highlighter I picked out from my cupboard. I picked up Gold Deposit. I haven't used it in so long and I'm in the mood. I forgot what it looks like. So we're going to do a little swirly McSwirlison. Guys, this is Gold Deposit. I miss her. Remembering our roots in 2020. I missed it, you guys. Aww. I need to diffuse this side just a touch. Let's put on these lashes. Okay, while those dry, we're gonna move on to lips, and I'm taking my MAC Chestnut lip pencil. This is the lip combo combination seen on my Instagram yesterday. I got so many questions about it on my Instagram stories. And then I'm taking my MAC Retro Matte Liquid Lip Color in Lady Be Good. So there you have it, guys. This is my finished look of how I've been doing my makeup, how I'll be doing my makeup throughout 2020 as far as everyday makeup looks go. I hope you enjoyed that tutorial, my first tutorial of 2020. I know I didn't end up talking much while I was doing my makeup. I think I was just getting back into the flow of things, back into the motions of doing my makeup on camera. And of course I had fun. Oh my god, I actually forgot to set my face. I'm just looking at my spray. So let me set my face. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter Pollution Protection setting spray. It claims to guard skin against whatever the day throws at it. It acts like a protective barrier throughout the day from whatever is in the air. Anyway, so like I was saying, I know I didn't chat much about the plan for 2020 in terms of content on my channel, but you will not be disappointed. It will be fun, it will be exciting. I'll be doing a lot more vlogs for you guys, just wanting to diversify the content a bit more into travel and lifestyle, food, all of those things as well. Obviously moving vlogs, home vlogs, all of those things will definitely be part of 2020. Interior design, I want to open a home account. So yeah, don't even worry about it. There's so much stuff I've got planned as well for my blog. So yeah, other than that guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are all doing super well. Make sure to comment down below on what you got up to this summer holiday, what you got up to this festive season. I hope it was amazing. I hope you spent time with family and friends. Yeah, I'll leave that here and see you guys with an exciting video. A very exciting video on Thursday. Bye.